Hi guys, so today I am going to show you guys our new 12 volt auto switchover. So we've been getting a lot of questions from the public asking us regarding switching between 12 volt and 220 on our fridges. So we know a lot of the brands out there does it on its own, the way that it's been built. So we've come up with this little device, the auto switchover. So it's literally just a relay, and then it prioritizes the 220 side. So in other words, you can plug in your 220 on the AC side. You plug in the AC adapter. You plug in the 12 volt cable on the 12 volt side, and then you plug this into your fridge. This will automatically prioritize 220. It's just a relay that opens and closes. So this will then, obviously, is the bridge that we've built regarding the issue. So obviously the complaints from the customers is normally that the way that their builds are set up, it's difficult to reach the fridge to be able to switch between the two cables. So we've went and listened again, like we normally do, and we've designed this little box. It retails for $999 on the website. So yeah, no more hassles. Everything can be plugged into this, and then the switchover happens by itself. Check the website for more info, and once again, just thank you for your support. Cheers.